All right, can you guys hear me? How's it going? How are we doing today? Let's see who we got in here. We got Brian, Kara, Jim. How's it going? So, anything going today? Zivit is in the house. I think I said that right. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, you guys are just chatting already. Wait for a few more people to get in here. So far, more people are bullish on Mog than Pepe. But, I mean, overall, we're still holding up. Bitcoin's not doing anything. Still holding in the bull flag pattern. We're going to get there eventually. Alt season and everything's going to run to the moon at some point. Yeah, what you guys think about that Kaito coin? Did a quick hourly update on it. Is it still holding? She's still holding. Still holding up. This thing looks like it wants to move up. Let's see. On the right tracks here. How's it going? Crypto is still very boring. Yeah. They're just not doing anything. What's up, O House? XYO and Jasmy. Yeah, what is XYO doing? Yeah, I mean, we're right there on pretty much everything. Everything's coming back down to bottoms, and things are sitting on the bottom. I updated Arrow today. Arrow looks like it's ready to go back up. Will it? No one knows, but yeah, XYO here too. I guess you could still call this a bull flag pattern. Consolidation downwards for months on end. I mean, that for months on end is not bullish in itself, but we're trying to hold here. So it's dipping below the 0.5 at a penny and a half at the moment, but I would keep it that simple. Unless if you break down, then let's see if you're bullish still. Low to the high. Yeah, we're down below the 3.2, so short term, low to the high, not bullish anymore. If you can get back over 1.6, you can be bullish again. So the question is there enough time for these coins to drag themselves all the way back down to put in a higher low? I don't know. I mean, that's a 60% drop on XYO just to come back down here and form the macro market structure. Maybe we're in here to where we're about to get a bounce up, and then we won't ever come back down that low. Hopefully we don't. I'm ready. I don't care. I'm not even in the market, but a little peanut bag in XCN, but I don't care. I'm ready for something to happen. Jasmy's still holding up very strong. I think my play is going to be just wait till we're going to the moon on everything, when everything's just like pumping like crazy. And I'll have to just try my luck at putting in a long position on something that's moving. Yeah, Jasmy, as long as you're over 2, you're still good. You're holding the 786. The potential, if this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, could be extremely bullish, but this is what we've been watching. But just due to the fact that Jasmy's over macro 236, so we could still drop down on Jasmy 24% to 16, and I would still be bullish on it. I think that's also a 382 level. Let me see here. Yeah, 236, 382 double. So you're still bullish. Jasmy's still bullish over 16. And then I think a lot of people are going to sell Jasmine with it around the 618 30 cent range. So just be prepared for that 20 to 30 cents. Maybe you need to, whoever's holding Jasmine maybe have to have an exit plan before everyone else dumps. But I think it's going to do better than a 14, 15x from here. Jasmine's going to outperform, in my opinion. Sub Roger. Sub Dave, how you doing? What's going on with Swiftcoin? Probably nothing. Coming back down to doing the same thing Spell and everything else is doing. Yeah. I mean, low to the high. Recent low to the high, 382. You're below at 2. Now you're falling below the double fib 0.51272, but this is what we've been saying. So yet again, this 16 level, penny and a half. If you can't get back above it, then it's probably just coming back down. That's why I keep saying we need a bounce. So as long as you're below 16, the 618 is up next. Another 19-20% drop to 1.2. And maybe we get a bounce at that point over the next couple of weeks. Come down here and hold and then bounce. If not, like I keep saying, if we're not going back up till summertime, it just depends on how fast this thing's going to drop. 70% drop. You know, if we just nuke like this, or we do the crawl around thing for a good while, and then end of summer we go up. But if that's the case, it's going to be a brutal spring and a brutal summer. Yeah, you guys are talking about metal. XPR. All the X coins were the good ones. Yeah, we're still holding up on XPR. We like to think this is a very bullish triangle pattern after the strong move up, which it is, a continuation. You're consolidating here over the 382, so it looks good. Stock RSI just crossed bullish, so maybe we'll get a move up, just like back here. Start going back up on these things. And if we take it high to the low on XPR, yeah, you're above the 618. So we'll pull that up. If you get over 006, then that's your breakout point to the upside. And hopefully that'll send it up higher than just the 0.5. So from where you are now over the 618, not a bad move, about a 50% move to 007, and then a penny here. 618 retracement hopefully is the next big move up, 173% move. But yeah, XPR is holding up very well. So we have these coins holding up like XPR here, and then we have coins like Arrow that are where they really can't go lower, or we're going to break down. So it's time. Someone needs to flip the switch already and get us going. I like Arrow here for a move up from here on out. Holding the 382, tag the trend, doesn't look bad. We got 25 people in here. What do we got here? see. H bar is still going to help with transactions for XRP. Sub you grow DC8 into Arrow yesterday. He loved the project. Yeah, Arrow's a good project. Arrow's going to do good here as soon as we kick off, you know, the bull run at some point in alt season. Arrow's going to perform very well. We saw it from the past. The Arrow Moon Boys will pile back in, and this thing will just shoot to the moon. It'd be nice if it went to 40 bucks. Did a 52, 53x from here. That would be nice. 30x to 20. Can we take a peek at Well on the KuCoin chart? Why the KuCoin chart? Isn't it all the same? Low to the high. I think we've done this before for you or someone. Yeah, you're over the 382, so macro over 2.7, you're bullish. Short term, low to the high. Yeah, over the 618, getting stuck right at the 0.5 at 3.4. So as long as you're over that 382, you're good. And then of course, once you get over 3.4, short term bullish back over the 236 here at 4.7. But this isn't the full chart. But if we do go by this chart on the KuCoin, if I can get anything to stick, let's see what this tells us. Not much of anything. So if we hold there on that other fib, next stop up, 16.5. Not a bad move, almost a 5x, almost a 400% move from today to put in a higher high once again. But yeah, I did an update on Well on the other chart. It's pretty much at the bottom now. It's almost there. So 618 here at 2.5. Now that you're below the 0.5, I would say this thing does have a chance at dropping. Yeah, I think I said that. Another 24%, so it's the same thing. But 2.5 is your bottom on Well. And then we have the same 130 price range for a high on the other chart. So I like Well for a good 40x to $1, $1.30. You're honestly tapped out of any short-term positions right now. Staying dry has been a strong move since February. Yeah. Can we look at Banker? What's up, Clint? Banker. What is Banker? Banker. Is this a deck screener coin? Sounds like a deck screener coin. What's up, J Matt? Can we take a look at XPR? Yeah, we can. We already looked at it a couple times, I think. Or once. Yeah, you gotta tell me what banker's on. There's one on Solana, there's one on Base. $55K market cap on Base. Oh, BNKR, he says. Alright, let me see if I can find banker now. BNKR, let's see what this is. Three zeros 35. Yeah, is this it here? Let's see. You think we're a few days, if not a week, from alt season finally popping off? I hope so, but what's up, Slava? How you doing? Alright, we'll look at this and then we'll look at XPR. Nah, I got delayed by a day, my man. Leaving tomorrow. It's always something coming up, so yeah, there's really nothing I can do with this chart here. It's bullish right now. It's either double topping or nice little green candle spawning in here. Yeah, just keep it simple. As long as you're over 4075, you're bullish. You're going sideways right now. It just made a slightly higher high, so that's a positive. Yeah, so it looks like if you can get this thing, it held the 1414 twice. Crazy, just one giant green candle spawned in. New one just spawned in a minute ago. But if you can get over 3038, next stop up is 67 for about an 90% move up. So almost a 2x if it can break through that 2618, and then just this thing going to the top of the fib here at 204, very possible. So you may have a 12x in play here. XPR, yeah, XPR is looking good. XPR is in a good setup. It's just consolidating in a continuation pattern, as you can see here. If we go high to the low on XPR, above the 618, breakout is over 006, it looks like. Once you get over the 786, this thing should start moving up. And with that being said, if it does that, it could get stuck easily at the 0.5 and then back test like we've seen and hang around for a couple of weeks. Or she's going to blast out of here. Take your pick. But your next big resistance would be 007. So a 50% move to there, and we would like to think, like I said earlier, 180% move up to a penny out of this consolidation period, but it doesn't look bad here. Holding over the 3-2, consolidating in a bullish triangle pennant, whatever you want to call this. But XPR is holding strong amid everything else. XCN is going to retest 30. Or 3, rather. Yeah, we're just watching XCN. I update it every day just because it gets the views, but not looking that great at the moment. It's like on its last leg here. We go low to the high that we've been watching. 618 at 16, a penny and a half is your last hope, in my opinion. Or it's dropping all the way back down to 12.5. 35% drop is lurking right now, unless we get back over to uptrend on ZBCN will continue. But yeah, I'm going tomorrow. I'm here today, so I don't know where ZBC in now. From every time we look at ZBCN, I keep telling you guys it's 618. But if you look on the daily, it's trying to hold, as you can clearly see. Same thing XPR is doing, depending on where you draw it at. It's simply consolidating now. Doesn't look bad on the 3-day. Looks extremely bullish still. We're right at the 618 right now, getting stuck. Yeah, we just had new candles spawn in. So you did get a daily close once again over, and you're holding right now. So if you can hold over this 18.3 level, then maybe there's a breakout coming soon. Breakout coming soon. Yeah, you're right above the 618, so it looks like if you get over 2019, so as of right now, it looks like it wants to continue in that little pattern that it's in on the smaller time frames, but weekly candle is clearly getting stuck here with a wick over, and that's what we always pretty much say here. High to the low, 618 retracement, wick over it, and it's over. But hopefully it continues. Yeah, I still never did buy in on. I need to get some. I don't have the money, but especially with the traveling and the moving, all that expenses. I still want to get some Zen. Man, every time I try to read someone's comment, it goes up. What's up, Alan? Can you do a chart on Treb? First V4 Dex on base. Treb. Goal is a 7x. Let's see, Treb. You need $1 billion market cap on XPR. No such thing as Treb. There's Trump, Donald Trump. Yeah, you got to be more clear. What is Treb? Treb, is that a Dex Screener coin? What do we have here? Oh yeah, if this thing hits an 11 billion market cap, new high at 41. It's a pretty decent move. A 93. Well, let me move this. An 80x from today. I think 3 pennies is very possible. Let's see. Is it possible for XRP to go back to 50 cents or no? XRP to 50 cents? I highly doubt it. Proppy, I saw someone mention Proppy. Yeah, Proppy's consolidating down here, not looking the worst. I mean, it broke the trend and it's down here doing nothing, but it's holding support. It's like as long as you're over 90, you're getting stuck right at the 0.5 at $1. Back over $1 and then back over $1.27 to be bullish. And then ultimately, whenever it wakes up, it needs to get over about 250, 786, get back above the trend, and then you're in business at that point. But yeah, Proppy's going to be a good one, I think. Fits the narrative. Just to come up to the new high, 1272 is a 12x to a billion market cap to $11.60 to $12. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? Let's see. ACH. What's up, Jason? Yeah, I'm just going back down to South Texas where I came from. But yeah, a long drive, about an 8-hour drive ahead of me tomorrow. ACH. San Antonio, yeah. I haven't been to San Antonio in a while. At some point, I'm gonna get back there. Go do some traveling and stuff. Story of your life. Yeah, no money for crypto. Because it's all in crypto and it's going to zero. Arrow, B3, VVV, Pro, Ondo, Arrow, Link, ICP, and Tau. Those are all good picks. Alright, ACH, I guess. Oh, Ben's in Spring Branch. Alright, let me get ACH pulled up. ACH. Imagine ACH is doing nothing still. Yeah. I mean, ACH is doing nothing still, but it's, you know, it's getting coiled up here in my opinion. This triangle pattern. Triangle pattern or ascending triangle where you're getting pretty much stuck at this flat top here. And then you're making higher lows. So ACH is extremely bullish in my opinion. Once it gets out of here, it's going to rocket out of here. Once it really starts moving. Maybe we'll get surprised with ACH. I really think 50 to 60 cents is in the cards. So anywhere from a 15 to about an 18x, and then maybe we come up here and tag the 80-cent range. Maybe we do get a 24, 25x out of ACH from where it is. But the overall chart does not look bad here. A lot of these older coins look good, and I think they're safer plays, but I do like the newer one. I like Ondo. I like, what else is there? Let's see. AXGT says T13. AXGT. Axon Dow. Yeah, do you own these coins that you keep asking about? I think I asked you that before. So this one's pretty much just going sideways. Broke the previous trend, of course. It held the 236. So as long as you're over 14, 15 here, bottom is in, and you're getting stuck right at the 382 at 21. You got to get over 21, 22 here to be bullish again. And then quickly low to the high. Yeah, you're above the 618. Didn't quite hit the 786, but it's there. But until Axon Dow breaks the downtrend it's in now and breaks the pretty much the structure here, you can see that's why it's getting stuck. New downtrend is in play, 3-2. But if this thing ever wakes up, possible 25, 26x maybe to this high $4, $5 range for almost $1 billion market cap. And about a 25, 26x to $5. But your first target is going to be, of course, the 1272. So a 10x to $2 is your first mission. And clearly you have to get over this downtrend and in this previous trend. So there's a lot of resistance overhead at the moment. But if you can get over 618 at about 39, then you're in good shape. But until then, XRP $10 plus easy. XRP, yeah, someone said XRP back to $5. I mean, 50 cents. If this thing came back down to 50 cents, I think everyone would buy it. Yeah, if XRP came down to 50 cents, I'd have to find a way to buy in. Have to go work the street corner or something for a 50-cent XRP. But ultimately, XRP, out of our little thing, it blasted out of here barely, back tested, and it's been holding ever since. Yeah, is XRP starting to form a inverse head and shoulders to some degree, or regular head and shoulders? Well, ultimately, it's holding the trend, higher highs, and it's holding this new trend here. So XRP doesn't look bad. I guess we can get that one off. So XRP, $8 here is the next stop. If XRP holds up here, I think this is very likely. $8 to $10. Never thought I would say that, but man, what if we get a $15 XRP? I'd be over a 5.5x from today. From the accumulation down here, not bad. 24x. Let me switch this song, it's annoying me. See what we got here. Bearish music or bullish music? What do we want? We got 30 people in here. More people are bullish on Pepe at the moment. Excuse me. You guys talking about a gold rush? Yeah, I think that's crazy. Your lawyer won't let you buy crypto because you're in the middle of a divorce. It is what it is, I guess. Yeah, all the times I covered XRP on the monthly here, watching it here getting stuck, and I always said once you break over this level here, she's going. I should have just bought XRP and that was it. Because I remember we were so bullish on it. Getting stuck here. All these monthly candles getting stuck, and then it finally left. I should have just put in a long position on XRP here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, huh? Not all sectors were pumped together. So what do we think is going to pump first? That's the question. Yeah, I'm getting a list together, but I haven't bought anything yet. I have a little peanut bag of XCM. It's going to zero slowly. Should have just put that money into something else. Chase the green candle on XCM. But I actually can't wait till I get in. Yeah, so what do you guys think about that Kaito coin? I already asked that once. I think I saw that it got listed on Binance now. We were looking at this last night. Got listed on Coinbase. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's holding up, going sideways, getting curled up here. Looks like when this thing breaks over 162.5, she's gonna fly out of here. And depending on where you want to draw this at, she's getting squeezed. Yeah, I did see someone calling for $100 on this thing. Is this coin really gonna fly out here and hit $100? I just can't catch a break. Toshi update. Kaito looks awful with the token unlock schedule. Yeah, when are they releasing tokens? I mean, if it's not anytime soon, over the next month or so, this thing looks like it's ready to blast out of here. Hell, if they don't release tokens within the next week or two. Just this short-term hourly chart looks very brutal. It looks like it's about to get squeezed either up or down, but more likely up, it looks like. What did you say? Oh, Toshi. Gaming's gonna go last. Yeah, speaking of gaming, is Axie Infinity AXS gonna have a run this cycle? I was thinking about putting it on my list. Toshi. Oh, why did I type in AXS? Yeah, there's nothing bullish on Axie Infinity on this chart at all. Just made it lower low too. I guess if we pulled it there, the candle's still holding, even though you made it lower low. Bottom is in on Axie Infinity. Everyone pile in. 40 to $75. 75 bucks would be a 18x. This can't be the full chart. Yeah, I'm gonna get to Toshi in just a moment. XSUSD. I guess this is the full chart. Yeah. Oh, Axie Infinity's been holding the 0.5 for a long time. Bottom is in. Damn. I need some money. Damn. Even though it made a lower low, it looks like the bottom is in on that one. Toshi still holding the 382 here. Possible falling wedge pattern, depending on where you look at it at. So Toshi, as long as you're holding over 3063, you're still bullish here, low to the high. And Toshi's another one, we need to get a bounce now. So it needs to get back over the previous high at 85 and then 001 and then you're good. But as long as you're holding that 382, it doesn't look bad at the moment. Toshi to a penny would be a 15.5x, and then Toshi to 2 pennies would be your 30x. But yeah, Toshi's going to perform well. I would just like to see it hold up where it is now. I would like to see everything hold up and hold the bottoms, and let's go up now. There we go. Stop with the hopium. Back to being bearish. Here we go. You'll be surprised if you put $5 in every 2 weeks for a couple of years. Yeah, I think I'm going to do something along the lines of that for the bear market after this bull run. Just going to slowly buy into some coins and see what happens. I already read that. You bought Kaito at 139, sold at 187. Alright, not bad. You think it's going to run again? Kaito's supply is 1 billion. What's up, Dan? How you doing? LCX. Are you the one that always comes in here asking for LCX? There's someone in here that does. LCX to the moon. Oh, she finally woke up, huh? Let's see. Still waking up, but it's still hitting the trend at the moment. Let's see what happens here. You're above the 618 again after dipping below it. She could be breaking out here. Let's see. All right, you're sitting right on the 3-2 perfectly at 22. Let's see if we take this to the wicks here. I would say if it can get over 25, that's your breakout point. Excuse me. Yeah, not in a bad spot. Possible little cup handle forming. What are we on? 3-day candles? Yeah, LCX is trying right now. Needs to hold over 22 and get over 25. And of course, we just had daily candles spawn in new, so you gotta wait 23 hours to see where these things are gonna end up closing at. You can see it's getting stuck right there. But if it's going to break out, 50% move almost to 3.5, and that's where you'll probably get stuck at. But that's your first target to watch. Hopefully I make enough money to where I can buy a couple of Bitcoins at the bottom of the next bear market and just hold. We got a Recon Runner for 5. I appreciate that. First super chat of the day. Hi, can you look at BKR? Tars AI. Brickin'. I appreciate the 5. BKR. What is that on? Ethereum, Solana, Base. It doesn't seem to be on. Unless you mean BKN. Oh yeah, we've looked at this one before. Let me double check what you said. Yeah, just let me know if this is it. BKN. You said BKR. I'll check on something. Come on. Alright, so looking at this one here, what are we doing? Clearly broke the previous downtrend on this one. I guess we did look at it pretty good. You're above the 236 at 19. Go low to the high. If I can get this to move. Yeah, you're holding over the 618, you're holding over the 236, so as long as you're over 19 to 20, this should be it. Back over 28 to be bullish, and let's see, that's probably the bottom too. Oh, that's where you're getting stuck right now. So you need to get back over 249, pretty much 25 to confirm the bottom. And then bullish back over the double 382 at 29. 28, 29. But yeah, whatever this is came out. It's been making higher. Well, it was making higher highs. Still holding the bottom trend down here with the higher lows. So overall chart doesn't look bad. It's been going sideways since it spawned in. I would imagine first bull run for whatever this is. Low market cap. I don't know anything about the coins, but the new high at 280 would be a decent 12x. $4 would be a good target for an 18x, and then 687 to $7. That's where you get a 30x. 500 million market cap. And then TARS AI. I think this one was breaking down last time we looked at it. What are we on? Oh, we're on weekly chart. I guess weekly's good. You get an overall sense of what's going on. So high to the low, it came right up to the 1272, got stuck new high at 40. Now, and it just kind of died from there. So TARS AI, you're still holding structure here. So as long as you got this curve going on, that's bullish. So it looks like as long as you're over the 0.5 at 17, you already tagged a 382 at 15. Could be the bottom. Let's see what else we're holding. Oh, if I can get anything to move right. So you're just below the 618. So there's no telling what's going to happen on this one, but you know, bullish on TARS AI. The fact that you're below the 618, if you break 17, then you're probably just going to drop down here 15% to stay bullish over 15, and I believe that was the 7862. Oh, no, that's all the way down here. So it's either or. Yeah, 20% drop down to about 14 now that you're below that 618. Could be in play. But TARS AI is one of those ones like we just looked at. I mean, these coins come out, they go, and they kind of consolidate down here in some form of a triangle pattern, and they just go up and they get stuck. Yeah, I have no idea where TARS AI is headed to, but next big target, in my opinion, would be, of course, the 1618 at 60, but this dollar range, $1.20 from today would be a, what is that, a 6.5x. And then TARS AI to a billion, 2 billion market cap. $10, $10.5 would be a 58x from today. I could see that happening if TARS AI is going to be something. It's just going to shoot out of here. A couple of giant green candles spawning in. Take it over a billion market cap, almost to 2 billion. You believe this is the last crypto cycle? You think so? Maybe it'll never end. Maybe we'll just keep going up forever. Treb is a new coin. You know what it's on? Solana, Base. Yeah, we'll go to deck screener in just a moment. He says, bro, DGen. What are you talking about? You moved from Maryland to Texas in 2008. You're already winning with a new girlfriend. I hope you're happy, Roger. I can't wait to be happy. Can't wait to get money in the market and put a smile on my face for something. ALB looks like it's consolidating. DGen, is DGen at a penny yet? Oh, DGen's moving. She finally bottomed out, huh? So no bear flag after all. Final support held at 4. back over the macro 236 here. So if you can stay over pretty much 005, you're in a good spot now. What is this, 3-day candles? Stock RSI is finally curling up bullish, trying to get over 20. Bullish cross on the weekly. Yeah, is DGen gonna finally go back up? So much resistance overhead though. Yeah, it needs to stay over 5 to confirm short-term and long-term bottom is in, and then bullish over the 618 here. 382, 618, you need to get back over 6.3 to be bullish. But yeah, I mean, if that was the bottom for DGen, then that was not a bad price to buy in. DGen to a new high, 30x to a 16.5. ALB needs to get back over 30. Alien base, I mean, there's nothing really. Damn, it had a large wick on here. When did that happen? Oh man, they just don't want alien base to go up anymore, huh? Wow, that's a fat red candle. Large wick on the larger time frames. Jeez, that's not bullish at all. Still stuck perfectly at the downtrend too. It's unfortunate. On the weekly here, I don't know why that's off a little bit. Yeah, that's not bullish on alien base. That large wick again above and getting stuck at the downtrend still. Sellers are clearly in control of alien base right now. And ultimately, like I said, you got to get back over 30. 1618 at 30, back over this previous trend. But if that keeps up, it's never going to happen. And your support right now is 9. Pretty much 10 cents. As long as you're holding that, you're good. Any lower than that, then she's going way down. But if you somehow hold this area, another one to the top of the fib, that'd be your billion plus market cap, 86x to $10. And then $500 million, a little over $500 million, still a decent move up here to the $4.50 to $5 range is about a 39, 40x. Bitcoin to 80k. Yeah, there's some people calling for 70k now. They're always moving the post. 85k, then 80k, now 70k. What's up, Sam? Yeah, that's the only price to watch on Alien or Arc Block. 90 cents. If it breaks below 90 cents, it's over. What was the deck screener coin we need to look at? Wish I could scroll this chat. Oh yeah, Treb. Alright, yeah, we're going over to Treb, I guess. Toshi, yeah, we did Toshi. But yeah, real quick again on Toshi. Toshi's holding 382, so technically she's still holding up in a pattern, trying to stay bullish. Let's see. yeah, if we go low to the high here on Toshi really quick. Where did we have this at? Yeah. Ultimate low to the high. As long as you're over this 306 level, you're still holding bullish. Low, high. Any lower than that, then you're no longer bullish, and then that puts in play, you know, coming down either 618 or coming all the way back down to the trend, which is a pretty decent drop, so I don't think that's going to happen. It could, but you can see a 70% drop there on Toshi. All right, let me bring up Treb on. I want to say we looked at that before. Trib. Oh yeah. All right, let me get this pulled up. We got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. He says Zerbro. What is that? Zerbro. Let me see. Oh, I guess we did look at this one before. It should be called Zero, bro. Oh, man. I to the possible bottom, all the way down here at 3. Man, this one broke out of this bullish pattern for a moment and then it just died. So a couple of levels to watch on this one to see if the bottom's going to stay in. Only thing we can really do is go here to the low, high to the low. Alright, you're back over the 382, so must hold price to stay bullish is 3.8. And then short-term breakout over 46. And then hopefully that'll send you up to the macro 236 and get over 6 pennies. And then it'll confirm the macro bottom is in. But that smaller price there is what you got to watch for now. Or there is no bottom. But if that is the bottom, new high on this one, if you think it can hit pretty much $2, 1272 is a 48x. We got flip coins for 5. I appreciate that. Please check Turbo. Yeah, I hope 120, 127K is the next stop on Bitcoin. Yeah, a lot of you guys asking for Treb now. Alien Base and Arrow is losing gains to Treb. Yeah, let me check Turbo for flip coins real quick. Did Turbo end up holding up? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it looks like some of these other coins. It's holding the previous high from back here. Kind of looks like Jasmy. Jasmy did the same thing where it pumped up and now it's coming all the way back down. But ultimately, I mean, looks like that should have been the bottom once again on that 0028 level. So Turbo's another one. I mean, we need to start going up now. Games are over. Time to get bullish again. So 236, 7863, 2618 are all in the same spot. So bottom is back in over 40, bullish over 53 on Turbo. And then you're in a good spot at that point. But I would have to say that is the bottom. Any lower, I mean, if it breaks down below 3, then Turbo won't be going up for a long time. Yeah, whoever bought the dip on turbo. Zoom this thing out. I don't know. I still like our turbo 40 cent range, 40 to 50 cent range for 100x. Is that possible? 130x to 50 cents. If it holds up where it is now. I could see 2 or 3 giant candles spawning in here, weekly, monthly, just shooting it all the way up here. Hell, to 3 cents would be at 8.5x. I'd take that. Too bad I don't have money to buy some of these coins on the bottom right now. Alright, go over to deck screen, I guess. We got Mickey for 2. I appreciate that. First super chat on the channel. Ski Mash Trump. I appreciate the 2. Ski Mash Trump. What is that on? Is that a deck screener coin? I think we looked at that one. I'm not sure. All right, let me pull up treble. Harmony on bass. All right. For all of those asking for treble here, what is this thing doing? Just get it to where we can see it. Keep it simple. Alright, so this is going to be something, you guys say, huh? She's curling up. She's bullish over the 382 at 70. Next stop is 80. Breakout over 96, it looks like. And a 3x, 200% move. New high would be 230. Yeah, where's this thing going to? 365 to $4 would be about a 5.5 or 4.5x, 5x. And $6 would be from today 7.5, almost an 8x. Yeah, I don't know where this thing's gonna run to, but is this the next Arrow alien based coin in the beginning early stages of its life? Wow. Yeah, if this thing shoots all the way to the top of the fib, 160x almost at 120. Jeez. Yeah, why does it say that? Unknown deck. See dex listing. 2.5 million market cap, 9,000 holders. Ski Mask Trump. Ski Trump. Oh yeah, I think we looked at this one. I remember that picture. Huh? Not a bad chart. Still in a downtrend, you can clearly see. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good. If this is gonna be something, then gamble play. 38K market cap. Whoa, that's low. Whoa. Why does this thing have almost 700,000 holders and such a low market cap? Can you even sell this thing if it runs? Well, new high on this one from where you are today, getting stuck at the 236. So you got to get over 4042, bottom in, 4073 to be bullish, and then break out over 301, and then possible new high 002 would be a 55x from today. Yeah, why is there no market cap on this thing and there's so many holders? Yeah, what are we looking at? Turbo. But I appreciate the 2. Trev is a Uniswap of base. It's definitely going to $100. Really? Oh, penny wallets. All right, how long have we been on here? 71 minutes, 25. There's only 25 people here. So what does penny wallets mean? Does that mean it's a scam, or is it going to actually run? Let's see. Come on. Just give me a little bit of bullish news, someone. Oh man, what did that say? I was reading a dumb tweet. All right, never mind. Let's see. Can we look at car? What is car? Yeah, we just did Treb, my man. Car. Oh, come on. Wait, that's Cardano. What am I doing? What is car? This thing on Mexi. What is this nonsense? Car curling up at the bottom here. Let's see. What are we on? Oh, these are 4-hour candles. So it looks like the bottom is in once you get over 3. That'll confirm a bottom. If we pull it this way, excuse me, and we don't include the first scam dump, you could be bullish over 2.2 here. Could be a good price to watch. And then, of course, 3 again, 618. That's your breakout point. But long term, 3 and then 5.5 to be bullish. Breakout over 15.5. Well, if car wakes up, you got your 100x play to 250, 1272 new high, 105x. That'd be nice. Only 50 wallets over $100. Okay. Zen. What's up, Tech World? ICP, XLM. What's up, Matt? What's up, Remy? XEN. Yeah, XEN we've looked at, but it appears it's coming down to a penny and a half, 1/6 level, and then that's your final support. And then it's going to die. It's going to suck all the rest of my money to the shadow run with it. Zen. Yeah, Zen I still want to buy. I just need some Ethereum. Need someone to send me some Ethereum so I can buy it on Coinbase Wallet. I want to scoop up a couple billion Zen. Yeah, Zen's still down here on the bottom, holding bullish, holding the trend, holding the 618. Damn, I need to hurry and buy this thing before it runs up. Because this has to be the bottom on this thing. What is that? Yeah, just for this thing to shoot up to the macro 236 here, which is very possible. What is that? 5011? It's an 8.5x. It sucks that this coin's not on Blowfin. Then a 54x to the 382 billion market cap. 25x, and then the 618 is your 100x, 113x. But the couple of videos I mentioned this before, I watched a couple of videos on Zen just to see what it's all about. And they're talking about this thing eating 3 zeros, so that would take you up here, 786, 2 zeros. Well, that's more than 2. I guess that would be your 618. Wait, what am I missing here? Oh, that's 1000x. What am I talking about? Isn't it? What am I tripping? That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Eek. Yeah, for this one to hit a 618 retracement, just throwing 200 bucks at it. Give me my 1000x now. And 200 bucks would be 200 grand if that was the case. Not saying that's going to happen, so no one sell their house and their car to buy this coin. It may never go up. But man, you could dream. Oh, we still got 30 people in here. Alright, I gotta go fill up on some coffee. I'll be back in 5 minutes, and then we'll look at ICP and XLM and ICP and XLM. Let me go ahead and pull up ICP. But yeah, I at least want to get 100 bucks on Zen because that could be a nice play. Not that I could ever get 1000x. I've never even gotten a 10x. Alright, ICP's up on the screen. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. All right, we're back. What did I miss? Anything? Did everyone leave? Oh man, we got 10 people here. Half of you guys went back to the shadow realm. Let's see here. ICP. All right, so ICP. Wow, we got 9 people left in here. All right. So it's either the bottom is in for ICP. I think I drew this red line here because why did I draw the red line? Oh, just a macro area of support and resistance. You can clearly see on the overall macro chart. It's pretty much where we are now. But looking on the 3-day chart, that is a nice looking wick. Yet again, possible bear flag formation forming. So we could go lower off of that macro support area because we're kind of sitting in the middle of nowhere at the moment. So any lower than about 7, I guess, then you would have this thing drop about 14-15% down to 616. But if you can get back over 780, you're in good shape. We'll draw another one on here. ICP here. Excuse me. Yeah, you're just below. It looks like you're getting squeezed. Oh, you're just above. So 717. Bottom is in. Bullish back over 830. But overall, this looks like FET and so many other charts. Lower highs and lower lows once again. So there's nothing really bullish on it right now. But you got to hold the 618 and get over the 382 once again. So if this macro support area holds up, if I can get anything to work right, the question becomes, where's ICP going to run to? So 618 retracement on ICP, 75 bucks, 36 billion market cap would be your 10x. And then 786 to 180 would be your $86 billion market cap for a 24x. Honestly, don't know where ICP is going to end up. Crow. Oh man. XLM. Stellar Lumens. Let's see where Stellar Lumens is going to end up. Yeah, XLM's another one that's trying to hold the bullish structure here, if you want to call it that. It looks like the other coins like ICP. Just bearish market structure, lower lows and lower highs. You're still above low to the high 382, and you're in this potential consolidation flag period. So as long as you're over 28, you're still technically bullish here. Let's see, smaller high to the low. Let's see if this thing can hold up and break out of this. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 236 here, so 35, 32 and a half. And then bullish back over and potentially maybe a breakout from this point. Anywhere from 37 to 39. Get back up at a macro 236 here at 39. Then that should be your breakout point to the upside. And then of course 43. But XLM on the larger monthly time frame, it looks extremely bullish here. It came back to the top. Depending on where you want to draw this at. So we're either going to blast out of here and keep going, or we're not going up yet, and she's going to simply come back down to the 382 at 10, and then we break out at some point in the future. But yeah, XLM, from where it is now, I like the $2.5 to $4 range. So maybe we to get a decent 7.5x out of this thing up to a 75 billion market cap, and if it goes higher, we have 4 for a 12x. And then XCN, there's really nothing to say on XCN. It needs to break the downtrend. It needs to hold over 1.6, get back over 2. Which day by day, it doesn't look great. New daily candle spawned in, and we're still getting stuck right at the trend. So XCN here, still another 9% drop or so to 16 here, and then that's your last support level, in my opinion. Because if it breaks down lower than that, it's going to throw this pattern out the window. And that was the top. 32% drop back down to 1. Even the 0.5 here. Any lower than that 618, I would say that's going to take place. What's up, Blue Man? He says stay bullish. What's up, Rachel? No, we didn't do Shiv. What's up, Head Hog? I haven't seen you in a while. He says Fox. Crow. Oh, H bar and Q and T. H bar. Yeah, I probably won't be on here much longer. I got to get things figured out for tomorrow. Yeah, H bar looks horrible here. It tried to hold up in our bullish pattern. It spiked up and then just died. Momentum is clearly down on the stock R side, low to the high. It's still bullish even if it comes down to 17. So macro 618 at 20, if you can hold over that, we're good, I guess. But a 20% drop to 17 could be in play, but H bar, as long as you're over the 618, just like XCN, which XCN's trying to fall now, but that is your big price to hold. Got stuck right at the 786, so it needs to break over about 32 for this thing to have a chance at hitting a new high. 123, 125, 47 billion market cap. That's about a 5.5x from here. But if XRP goes to $10, and these older coins will probably perform a little bit better. 180 to $2 would be about an 8.5 to almost a 10x. So a $2 H bar. Q&T, as long as you're over, I think 84, you should be alive. Needs to get back over 100 if it's not already. We can find our Q&T chart. But Q&T is the same. We've been watching it on the monthly here. You see on the monthly, it looks extremely good. Large triangle pattern. What are you at? 96? Yeah, you got to get back over the 382 to be bullish over 100. But not a bad monthly wick candle here. But yeah, once we get back over the 382 at 100, and then we can start finally moving up. Breakout over 174. But clearly still stuck in this downtrend almost perfectly. And then short term low to the high on Q&T. Yeah, we just tagged the 618. So not a bad looking bounce off of that. That's at 84 level, above 96. And short term back over 100 to 110, you're bullish. And then we have the $1,000 range for a 10x, and then the $2,000 range for almost a 20x, 1,800 to 2,000. And then if you're in the camp of a $5,000 plus Q&T coin, then that's a 45x to this 44.5. And if it hits 5,000, that's a 50x. Kosh network. I guess that's out the window. So what is this thing doing? Yeah, this one looks exactly like FET and whatever else we looked at. Lower high, they have the same exact structure going on. So I guess we can get that off. Yeah, you're down below the 618, so not a good look, making a lower low. So unless you can get back over 188, this thing could drop. Yeah, just such bearish market structure we're forming now. Yeah, you just tagged a 382, so that's what you're holding, 169. Any lower than that, then it was a good try. That runs you the risk of dropping all the way back down, 382, 618. Yeah, you had another one with a 60% drop lingering. Jeez. But this one, I wouldn't pay attention to the market caps, but the fact that this one could go lower, we'll just focus on the first one here. 13.5x to about 25 bucks. B3. Yeah, what did B3 end up doing? Oh yeah, B3 is the one on the daily chart here. We pointed out the continuation pattern. Strong move down, continuation to the downside, and now it's below the 618 at 007 getting stuck. So that tells me next target down is 006, final 786 support here. So the fact that you're below here getting stuck on those larger candles, 19% drop down to 006 is probably what's going to happen. Unless you can get back over this 777 level, which doesn't look likely. Lower lows, lower highs. Bearish market structure yet again. SHIB. What is SHIB doing? What does SHIB look like on the monthly? Yeah, on the monthly, you're holding the trend. This should be the bottom. I mean, you just tagged a 236. Need to get back over 4016 to be bullish here. If the trend is not going to break here. If we're going to be that bearish, then same thing with a lot of things. This one looks like it's on the bottom. Yeah, above the 618 still, 236, so keep it that simple. Possible next run up for a higher high would be a 3x to 3.5x almost to 405. And then I still believe SHIB's going to come up here and tag 100 billion market cap or more. So SHIB from today should be good for what? A good almost 12x, 3018. Stacking Q&T for a long time. Vet. But yeah, like I said, we're probably going to end it here soon. I got to get things figured out for my long journey tomorrow. Still got to get things figured out to see if I'm even still going. So, oh, what a world. Yeah, V-chain still bouncing along the trend line here. Just put in a higher high. Now it's coming back down to put in a higher low. That's the wrong tool. But yeah, you guys will know if I'm traveling or not. If there's no updates coming out tomorrow, that means I'm on the road. Yeah, 236, 618 came into play. Didn't quite come down to the trend. And you're back above the 0.5 or 32. So as long as you're above 32, bullish back over 39 to 42 here. Double 382 to be bullish short term and long term. If for some reason this thing breaks down below these levels and wicks down here, you could drop 30% to tag the trend again, depending on what it's going to do, of course. But overall, macro chart, it's curling up here, just like we see a lot of things. I would say it's getting time to go up very soon. So V chain, new high, 64 to 65 cents. Maybe it goes higher. Maybe it hits $1. So 19 and a half, and then if you can hit $1, that'd be a 30x. I don't know. Can V chain do a 30x? Being an older coin. Oh, all right. Let me end the poll. What few of you that are left in here, please hit the like button for me. We covered quite a bit. I appreciate the super chats that came in. It's always appreciated. It always helps out. Let me see, make sure I covered them all. And then I appreciate all you guys coming in here and hanging out every day, even when we're not doing anything. All right, got them. Yeah, what are you talking about? Westwood says you're horrible. Can you say blocked? I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but thanks for stopping by. Well, that was a good note to end the live stream, huh? At least I got to ban someone. I don't know what that meant, but they're gone. No need for that kind of attitude. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time I get on the computer. Tomorrow or sometime this next week, hopefully. But yeah, I gotta get things figured out and get back to where I need to be. But I appreciate you guys coming by, as always. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, everyone.